give them prayer hands. Say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica. Shout out to my...
Hello guys, this is Newtonica back with another video. So in this video I'll be unboxing the Ubon in-ear style earphones. So these are the budget earphones that can beat the premium ones. So it is inclusive of all taxes, MRP rupees 299, but that's not true. It's on discount and on sale. So the package I got this for is 200 rupees. So let's unbox it. Here's a Ubon open. So let's open it. So as you can see, these are the earphones we get in this box. Here says Ubon mobile earphones kebab. So these are the earphones. These are the in-ear earphones. This is the right one. This is the left one. This is the 3.5 mm jack, and this is the mic on here. So I'll be doing so the Ubon company had done a great design on these earphones. Although they are budget, but they do give you a premium feel in your hands. So this is a plastic one, red button, this also has the mic inbuilt, jack, and we also have the clip in here to mount it on your shirt and all. See. So talking about the build quality is very good in here. Yeah, so the mic is also made of plastic in here, but they are not very durable enough. They last a time, but not very long time. If you go like running something, it just wobble out of your ears and just lie down. So these are the tips, and these are the extra subwoofers, I think so. I don't know what they are called, but you know. And yeah, the things they show you, alphabets, they show you the direction of the earbuds. This is the left one, this is the right one, and yeah, the 3.5 mm audio jack. So yeah, so if you like this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.